Well, here it is. One thing that we've done on this truck is that we've put temporarily some new sneakers, or wheels, what we call them, on. The wheels, the tires that we're waiting for, the FJ40 950-15s, are on national or intergalactic back order. But we have mounted up on a pair of stock steel 16-inch non-USA split rims, a set of these nice Cooper Discover ATRs, and they are a 16-inch rim. Obviously it's a 235/85/16 tire, and it plays the part well. It gives it a kind of a real stock look. The ones that will go on here ultimately will be white, but truck looks really nice. We did a nice little wash on it here today. It's really a sunny day finally here in the Northeast, and you can see that the truck is detailed, looks real sharp from so many different angles. See the interior? It even smells new in here. It just really is nice. So many nice things. One of the things that we finally got in was the Tuffy center console. Almost matches the floor here, and it's a gray color. We have Linux on the floor. Obviously we have this interior all done up nicely. Stock headliner. Roll cage looks nice. Look down towards the front here. Everything looks sharp there on the dash. Real stock. One of the nice touches we've been doing is doing the last part of the decals. You can see the decal from the factory. Looks excellent. Have our cardboard on the floor. Not factory, but looks sharp nonetheless. A nice looking truck. It really came out beautiful. Now all we have to do is do some drive time. Get that completed. In a few months the customer will come in and pick it up.